Hi students, I'm Paul Vertictor. In today's class, we are going to see about database models. Hierarchical database model. This model was designed by IBM. Every information in this model is arranged in the form of parent and child. This structure looks similar to tree. In this flowchart, you can see principal is the parent node for class teachers and class teachers are the parent nodes for class representatives and representatives are parents for students. If any information has to be passed from the students to the class teacher, it has to be passed through representatives. This is how generally hierarchical database works. This model has advantages like less errors, data integrity and security. But it also has a drawback. When information has to be passed from students to principal, it must be done through various channels like representatives and class teachers. This happens because the data of principal and students are not directly related. So this structure found complex when it comes to data access. Network model. Network model, every child has more than one parent, and in this model many-to-many relationship is followed. So the data transmissions are made easy and better. It has three components. Network schema, which explains the structure of database. Subschema, which defines the view of users on data types which are being used in the database. And language, which is the procedure to access database. Data accessing is so simple in network model as every data in the database is directly related and integrated. But the network model maintenance was found too difficult. Relational database model. Relational model is more advanced than network model. So it is the most commonly used database nowadays. It has two components. First one is instance, which means table with rows and columns, and the second one is schema, which specify the structure of database including name and types. Oracle and DB2 are the commonly used commercial databases. Object-oriented database model. This database model uses OOPS concept. So every information in the database will be considered as an object. This database model efficiently manages large amount of data. RDBMS jargon. Jargon means technical words. So now we are going to see about technical words used in relational database management system. MySQL. MySQL is the most commonly used relational database as it is supported in Windows, Linux and Mac OS. It is a high-performance database which is very easy to manage and the cost of it is also very less. Table. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Column. Vertical section of a table is called as column. A table column defines what kind of data is going to be saved in the column. For example, in name column only characters will be used, not numbers. Rows. Horizontal sections of a table are called as rows. All the data in a row are related. Primary key. Primary key is a unique data which is used to select a particular record from a table. For example, in this table, if you want to find the details of Priya, you can't search as Priya because there are two Priyas. So you have to use a unique data to get all the details of the Priya you want. If you use the roll number as primary key, you will get the required details easily. In this table, roll number could be used as a primary key. Foreign key. A foreign key is similar to primary key, but foreign key has the ability to relate two tables. For example, the class code in this table. This key is unique in both class table and school table, and it also relates both the tables. So it is a foreign key. Super key. Primary key combined with some other attribute is called as super key. If you search for a student with roll number, which is a primary key, and student name, which is not unique, then those two attributes will be together called as super key. Composite key. Group of primary keys in a table is called as composite key. For example, here student roll number and email ID will be together called as composite key as both are unique nature primary keys. That's all for today's class. For more lectures on 12th standard computer applications, subscribe and follow Hard Drive channel. Thank you.